as an OFW working abroad for so many years, kailan mo masasabi na minsan napaka-unfair ng buhay? Kasi through me, I've been with different countries to work. Wala naman ako ibang hiling kundi mapaayos yung lahat. Wala akong ibang hiling kundi ma-overlook ko yung situation, family back sa home country, which is not really so easy. Marami kang sinasakripisyo na sa akala nila you are comfortable with it. I've been working here for like more than 3 years dito sa Italia, so dami kong encounters dito ko naranasan yung mas mahirap na trabaho, hindi kagaya ng dati na I've been working in construction industry, yet it was so toxic to handle everything in construction, yet the income wise is much better than what I have. Siguro minsan sa buhay meron kasing ups and down meron tinuturo sa'yo na pag nandun ka sa taas, God will try to twist you in a little while na matututo ka sa buhay. Dito kasi sa Italia, pag hindi ka marunong balance everything, you will not survive. So ang medyo mahirap lang minsan pag hindi mo talagang kayang embrace yung situation, walang mangyayari sa'yo kahit saan ka pumunta dito sa Europa. Yung punto ko bakit I do this video, kasi minsan bilang isang OFW na alam mo, ayaw mong balikan yung dating experience mo sa buhay before kasi you've been through a lot of it. I mean, napakadami mo ng ginawang sacrifice for everything, even for yourself, even for your own happiness, even for something else like to build a family. It's not easy. Life really is not easy. Sabi nila pag marunong ka mag-handle kung paano sa buhay, oo, tama, you have the point, but